Hi all. Here is your Pushpastri. That's Professor Pushpastri here. And today I'm here to discuss about the UGC NETS LET JRF Commerce entrance exam. Today I will be taking the class about the general paper 1, that is the teaching and the research aptitude. In today's session, you will be learning about the syllabus and you will be knowing about a few important facts you have to remember during your examination. Chael will just move on to the syllabus part. So, what is the marks allocation? We usually think, right? We'll see how the allocation of marks is going to happen for the UGC exam. Here, you will be having the two papers. You can see the first paper, it is 100 marks paper, the total marks, and you people will be having a 50 question, and all the questions are compulsory here, where every question carries 2 marks each, so that 50 into 2, it is 100. And the time allocation for this is just 1 hour, and usually it starts from 9:30 in the morning and ends by 10:30 a.m. That is the forenoon. 1 hour of time is allocated. And coming on to the paper 2, paper 2 is for 200 marks, where every question are compulsory here, and we will be having 100 questions, and every questions is going to carry the 2 marks. And the time allocated for this is the 2 hours, which starts from 11 o'clock in the morning and ends by 1 o'clock in the noon. And totally, this two paper stands for 300 marks, and it is so very important for your passing. And the next question arrives to you people: which book I can refer for UGC exam? There are a lot of books you people can find it out, and I have a few books which can be important and out of which you can learn a lot of things. And the very first one I prefer you is a Arihant book. The second preference I give it for Guptas. The third preference I give it for Upkars, and the fourth preference I give it for Romance. All the books are best according to me, but the thing is, you have to gain the knowledge out of it. And the very most important thing is that how, how, right? What are the tricks that your people can follow, and what are the tacks for your UGC net exam? We have a lot of tricks that you people can follow, and I'll just name you out a few things. Whatever the question it might be, students, please do attempt all the question, because there is no negative marking here. You people should be happy for it. Whatever it might be, do inky pinky, or if you know the answer, do it, but do not leave any question. And whenever you are reading any of the books, make sure you will be preparing the reference book. It is nothing but, if I study one paragraph, I make sure that I'll be writing that one paragraph in a book in 2 lines, so that that handy book will be standing as a reference book to you, and quickly you can refer it whenever you want it and wherever you want it. Once you study the whole book, make sure you will be practicing your question paper, and you're going to correct your question paper by yourself. Because once you correct the paper by yourself, you people will get to know what is your mistake and where you people have done your mistake, so that you can correct your mistake and you can study your mistakes again and again so that it can be done by the next time. And once you're attempting any exam, it can be UGC or it can be any other exam, make sure you will be saving your answers whenever you are attempting the exam. Because I have seen a lot of people, they write every answers properly, but at the end they'll not save it. So this will cause them a bad luck. So whenever you're going to attend the online exam, make sure you will be saving that. And this is the very most important thing I wanted to tell you people. Here, the questions, it will not repeat from the last year. And most of the people think the last year questions will be coming in this year. Do not expect that, but expect the concept. Question will not repeat, but the concepts do repeat it. Okay, so be thorough with the concept, whatever you are studying at. And in your paper, you will be having the 10 units totally. At least if you're strong in the 6 units, and 6 into 5, you just imagine from every chapter you are getting a 5 questions. So 6 into 5, 6 fives are, it's 30, right? So you can aram say pass. And the remaining, if you do the guesswork also, it's most profitable one, you can aram say pass in your exam. And the question pattern, you can ask me, ma'am, how it will be that students, you will have nearly the 5 questions as I said. So you will be having the most commonly asked question, that is a 3. It's a general question. As soon as you study the question, you can understand what is the question is about and you can answer to that question. Yes. And the remaining question, either one question or two question, it might be difficult to you people while choosing the options. So, if you are pakka with this 3 question, so 3 question from each 10 chapter, it is 30 marks. Again, it is a trick for your passing. And that's again a lengthy question. So whenever you get the lengthy question, what we people usually do it, so we start getting attached with only that question. So please do not do that because it start consuming your time. So since you don't have a much time, so whatever the lengthy question, if you get it, if you can't find the answer to it, skip it, go with the next, and then come back to it and do it again. So we have a certain chapters. Those are the data interpretation, mathematical reasoning, logical reasoning. So on these 3 chapters, you don't need to give more time because every section you can keep it 10 minutes each. 10 minutes for data interpretation, 10 minutes for mathematical reasoning, 10 minutes for logical reasoning, because you will get 5 questions, right? So every section you get 5 questions. So 5 questions, 10 minutes each. That means 2 minutes you can keep it for a particular question, so that on these 3 sections you can do this 3 sections very quickly. On this 3 section, you cannot spend the more time because these 3 sections will consume the huge amount of time of the students. Fine, I have given a bit of tricks about your UGC Nutslip in my part 1 video. So I hope you people will be awaiting for the next upcoming video. And if you have any doubts, please be free to ask the doubt and please do comment it regarding the video. Thank you.